Clothes slipping off hangers can make your closet look messy and leave shirts, dresses, or tank tops on the floor. Smooth plastic or metal hangers can be especially frustrating when they do not provide enough grip. You do not need to buy special non-slip hangers to fix the problem. A couple of rubber bands can add grip to the ends of an ordinary hanger and help your clothes stay in place. In this video, we will show you step by step how to wrap rubber bands around a hanger to keep clothes from slipping. This simple hack works well for wide-neck shirts, dresses, lightweight tops, and clothing with thin straps. But before we go any further, yes, this is an AI voice, but a real person wrote this. I don't like narrating videos, so I use an AI voice. Ignore that, the voice is AI. The video is worth it. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Materials you need. Rubber bands. Use 2 medium or thick rubber bands that can wrap securely around each end of the hanger. If you only have thin rubber bands, use several on each side to create enough grip. Hanger. A plastic, wooden, or metal hanger can work, but smooth hangers may benefit the most from the added grip. That is all you need to turn an ordinary hanger into a simple non-slip hanger. This hack only takes a minute and does not require any special tools. The goal is to create a grippy surface near both ends of the hanger where the clothing usually rests. Step 1. Wrap a rubber band around one end. Place a rubber band near one end of the hanger. Wrap it around several times until it feels secure and does not slide easily. If you are using thin rubber bands, add a few more in the same area. This will create a thicker surface and give the clothing more grip. Step 2. Repeat on the other side. Wrap another rubber band around the opposite end of the hanger. Try to place it in roughly the same spot so both sides have an even amount of grip. Make sure both rubber bands feel secure before hanging your clothes. Place a shirt, dress, or top on the hanger and gently move it from side to side. The fabric should catch against the rubber bands instead of sliding off the ends. Add another rubber band to each side if the clothing still slips. Rubber bands help turn a smooth hanger into a simple non-slip hanger. They add grip in the spots where clothing usually slides off. Smooth plastic, metal, or wooden hangers do not always hold lightweight clothing well. Rubber bands create a textured surface that helps the fabric stay in place. This hack works well for wide-neck shirts, tank tops, dresses, and clothing with thin straps. The rubber bands help stop the fabric from slipping past the ends of the hanger. You do not need to replace your current hangers with special non-slip ones. A few rubber bands can give the hangers you already own extra grip. This simple rubber band hanger hack can help keep shirts, dresses, tank tops, and other lightweight clothes from sliding onto the floor. It only takes a minute to set up and gives smooth hangers extra grip. Using rubber bands you already have at home is an easy way to make ordinary hangers more useful without buying special non-slip hangers. Just wrap them securely around both ends, test the hanger, and add more rubber bands if needed. Have you tried using rubber bands to keep clothes from slipping off hangers? Share this simple trick with someone who could use an easy closet hack. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description